shots to the back of the head, and we're all dead now. Well, never again, and never again. They gave us 2 shots to the back of the head, and we're all dead now. I say, one more night, we're not
strong Thought that I was stupid, and I was. Fiddled with my blood pump just because. Thought that I was stupid, and I was. Fiddled with my blood pump just because. You got a little lazy and I got a little less stupid. Now you got a little lazy and I got a little less stupid.
You could die and come back as someone else. If you're enticed by what I sell, just make a sign and I'll stuff you well here at Terry's. They're dying to be rebuilt with bigger smiles like you wish they did. Hindsight is a tricky thing, so get creative. Lilac eyes that'll never wilt. Can't say goodbye with no lungs to fill. Comfy company, a human quilt. Preservation.
Bring a sweet and special doll to life. So I keep this mental compromise justification. But the nights are cold next to empty chests and polished arms in which I'd never rest. I come to harm, but they can never fret. Isolation. And I've got a heart pumping messy blood, and all these parts I could better cut, and quit the farce of these imperfect guts. Contemplation.
Sleep on a couch in an empty home, kicked out of bed by the memory foam. Reason it out with the hands I've sold. My poison heart is kind of lost.
Thank you all for joining us today as we celebrate the life of Dr. Tidge. As many of you know, Terrence attempted to taxidermy himself. He was a man of perfectionism, not a man of foresight, and consequently he started with his eyes. What followed was less than his best work, leading to today's service being a closed casket. If you'll all please join me in prayer.
Jesus Christ! Someone help me pick him up.
This night, walk the dead in a solitary style, crash the cemetery gates in the dress your husband hates. Way down, mark the grave where the searchlights find us drinking by the mausoleum door. And they found you on the bathroom floor. I miss you so bad. And the collision of your chaos that made it so hard. Off the run, singing songs that make you slit your wrists. It isn't that much fun staring down a loaded gun. So I won't stop dying, won't stop lying. If you want, I'll keep on crying. Did you get what you deserve? Is this what you always want me for? I miss you so bad. And the collision of your chaos that made it so hard. Way down, way down, way down, way down, way down, way down, way down. I miss you so bad. And the collision of your chaos that made it so hard. I miss you, where will I miss you so bad. And the collision of your chaos that made it so hard, made it so I miss watching the skin split. Crimson red all in the same drips. All this time I'm still addicted to all the pain that I've inflicted. I wanna see my answers go out. Right all of my teeth out, I'm running out. A bloody nightmare, let me get out. I'm gonna scream, I'm gonna shout. I miss the feeling when the drugs hit. The sinking feeling watch me fall in. Felt like I'm dead, but I loved it. Can't fucking stand this shit. Guys, can you tell that my heart is cold inside? Made of ice, I've forgotten how to feel. Cause all the pills I'm prescribed, I'm so numb. I don't feel like I'm alive. Roll the dice, put the gun up to my head and I would flinch. I could die, I don't mind. Yeah, I guess that I don't mind. Shallow breathing, stare at ceilings. Dreams of bloody thighs, I'll see off and see with every lie. What's the price for living through this? Try to pray, I won't reply. I won't reply. Try to pray, I won't reply. Try to pray, I won't reply. Try to rotting bodies, feeling sorry. Playtime party, picking puppies.
Blood is spilling out of my mouth. A living hell without a doubt. All these thoughts, my head is crowded. I just wanna run into the emptiness. The darkness may reveal something sacred, something better than this life. I'll finally heal. Drain my body, say I'm sorry, I can't do this. I'm for real. I'll sink, I'll close my eyes, I'll fade away like I was never here. Puppies, feeling sorry. Playtime puppies, picking puppies, photocopies. Her autopsy in her 20s, sweet as honey. Shaky hands smearing makeup while she's holding back her tears. Long dress, straight knees, now she's tripping in her heels. Sad girl doesn't want the world to know how she feels. Red eyes, fake smile on her wrist. The blood is real 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 on her wrist. The blood is on her wrist. The blood is real on her wrist. The blood is real on her wrist. The blood is real on her wrist. The blood is real. Buddies, feeling sorry. Playtime buddies, picking puppies, photo
Have you ever felt like gas threw you back out on the axis and collapsed and threw the planet away? Everyone's just blood in the night street. A vampire picking flowers out in the sun. Run your diagnostic test is positive. Nobody dies agnostic, but we still dial 911. And now we're singing. Bell curve now, ask not for whom it tones. But with my head up in the clouds, I can't see so much ground. And from here, yeah, I look like ants in a row. It doesn't take a killer to murder. It only takes a reason to kill. We've all got evidence of innocence. It's everything's coincidence. The difference between fate and free will is whether you're singing. When he died, they found a message etched into his spine that said, when he died, an endless age of untold nightmares would be nigh, and the blood would make the seas run red. When he died on a dark and stormy night, a nearby shed caught fire. It simply caught alight. And when they cleared the charred wood from the ground, inside they found a painting of a clown. He'd painted it when he was just a child, but scrawled upon the back was exact